1. The Eiffel Tower shouldn't be there. Believe it or not, Paris's most iconic building was only meant to be a temporary monument. It was France's way of demonstrating its superior technological and construction skills. When it was constructed in 1889, it was extremely unpopular. Residents and senior figures protested against it, and the media called it a useless monstrosity. 2. The Louvre is big, very big. Over 9 million visitors annually, the Louvre Museum is the most popular museum on the planet. It's famously home to the Mona Lisa, but over 35,000 pieces of art are on display. But in the museum's entire collection, there are over 460,000. Allocate just 30 seconds of viewing time to each, and you'd still need 35 days to see them all. 3. New bridges. The oldest bridge, Pont Neuf, New Bridge, is now the oldest standing bridge in the French capital, but at the time of its construction, it was one of the first stone bridges with pedestrian sidewalks. Consequently, it was named New Bridge. All other bridges from its era are no longer standing. 4. It's full of ghostly metro stations. With around 400 stations, it's no surprise that Paris's metro network has a few secrets. One of those is that at least 14 of them are either never used, abandoned or no longer in use. The Porte de Lille station is rented out as a film set by production companies. 5. There's one stop sign in the entire city. Despite being one of the most populous European capitals, Paris only has one stop sign, which is located at the end of a construction company's drive in the 16th arrondissement. Throughout the rest of the city, and we mean all of it, the right gets priority. Simple as that. Do you know any other interesting places in Paris? Tell us in comment.